In this video, we're going to walk you through how to create a user in the SugarCloud. Log in as the admin and navigate to the admin page and select SugarCloud Settings.
Select
Create a new user. Enter the first and last name, email address, and do not check mark the Send Email to Users, which sends a welcome email to the user's primary email address, asking them to create a Sugar password that conforms with your configured password requirements. Wait until after you add them to teams and roles. Also select Active Status, User Type as regular, and the license type, which is Cell Premier, the username, the title, and any other information if needed, and then click Save. If the license type field does not appear in the Create User screen, or you want to add the Report To field or change the default team, navigate to the User Management option on the admin page and edit your user in the list and select Will Weston as Jane's boss, and then save this user record. And that's how you add a user in SugarCloud.